Topic ellipse introduction. Students, we study in previous chapter. We have discussed that an ellipse is a particular case of the conics. That equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 when abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus by square minus ch square does not equal 0 and h less than is equal to ab. Now we come ellipse. Ellipse is the locus of a point. What is ellipse? Ellipse is the locus of a point in a plane which moves in the plane in such a way that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point, their point is fixed, that point is called focus, in the same plane to its distance from a fixed and straight line is theirs straight, called directrix, is always constant, which is always less than unity. If S is the focus, there's S is the focus of ellipse. Therefore, Z is the directrix and P is any point on the ellipse. Then, by definition, SP upon PM is equal to E. Therefore, here put 1 in denominator and cross multiply. Therefore, SP into 1 is equal to SP is equal to here E into PM. Line is here directrix line, straight line is directrix line, and Z dax, and P here x y. Let here P x y and S is focus. Here suppose they are given point 1 and 2. There's x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now see example. Find the equations of the ellipse whose focus is 1 0, means here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. The directrix is the equations. Directrix equations is here x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and eccentricity is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now see solutions. Let s here as s is what focus, means there's x and y value is given, be the focus, and z dax be the directrix. Let P x y be any point. Here let we P is x y be the any point of the ellipse on the ellipse, and P and B perpendicular from P and the directrix. By definition, SP is equal to, you know that students, according definition, SP is equal to E into PM. Here Z dax and Z, that is directrix equations. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, M and P is x y, and slope focus is given here 1 0. Here E is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now squaring, therefore SP square is equal to E square PM square. Therefore put in equations this value x minus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to 1 upon root 2 square, and here mod of x plus y plus 1 and root 1 plus 1 the whole square. That equations if you solve, then get 4x minus 1 whole square plus y square, and this is solved, then get x plus y plus 1 the whole square. That now solve. Therefore 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x plus 4, and right side having x square plus y square plus 1 plus 2xy plus 2x plus 2y. Here you solve, then get 3x square plus 3y square minus 2xy minus 10x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equations of the required ellipse. Now next topics, equations of the ellipse in a standard form. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 0, where b square is equal to a square bracket having given 1 minus e square. Okay students, here try to understand. Equations of the ellipse in the standard form is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 0. Here b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Note, we have e less than 1, therefore 1 minus e square less than 1. That implies that a square 1 minus e square less than a square and b square less than a square. Tracing of the ellipse, we have x square upon a square, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where a greater than b. Then what is value of x and y? Therefore y is equal to plus minus b upon a under root a square minus x square, and x is equal to plus minus a upon b under root b square minus y square. Now come in example. Find the equation of the ellipse with focus at 1, 1 and eccentricity 1 upon 2 and directrix x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Also find the equation of its major axis. See solution. Let p x y be a point on the ellipse. By definition, SP is equal to E into PM. Here E is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 1 is given, that is S, and Z dash Z is here M and P M and PS. Here P is x y and S is 1 1. That equation is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and the equation of the directrix is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore SP is equal to 1 upon 2 PM. Therefore under root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 mod of given directrix equations x minus y plus 3 upon under root 1 square plus minus 1 square. Okay, therefore if you solve these equations, then we get 8 x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to x minus y plus 3 the whole square. Therefore 7x square plus 7y square plus 2xy minus here 22x minus 10y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the ellipse.